Discover Harrison, a dynamic neighborhood where nature, recreation, and community unite. If you love the outdoors, you'll feel right at home with tennis courts, soccer fields, and splash pads at Gasol and Optimist Parks. Seeking a quiet escape? McDougall and Inspire Parks offer peaceful green spaces. And for cycling enthusiasts, the Milton Velodrome is a world-class facility right in your backyard. Families benefit from top-rated schools like P.L. Robertson Public and Lumen Christi Catholic Elementary, ensuring quality education. Whether heading into the GTA or exploring local shops and restaurants, you'll appreciate Harrison's convenient location. Harrison is more than just a neighborhood, offering scenic escarpment views and balance of suburban tranquility with modern convenience. See why so many love calling Harrison home.